Most people damage their skin in winter because they ignore one basic scientific rule. And here's the shocking part. The solution is already sitting in your bathroom. A simple blue jar. This is not a beauty hack. This is what skin barrier science. Today I'm going to show you the 5 methods dermatologists use to protect their skin during winter, without expensive creams, without fancy products. If you want to look healthier, more put together, and protect your skin this season. Number 1. Precision micro-slugging. In winter, humidity drops. That means your skin is constantly losing water, even after you moisturize. This is where Vaseline works, but only if you use it correctly. Covering your entire face is a mistake. The smart method is Kente micro-slugging. After your moisturizer, apply a very thin layer only to the driest areas. Cheekbones, under the eyes, around the nose. Vaseline is an occlusive. It doesn't add moisture. It prevents moisture loss. The result? Skin that looks smoother, fuller, and less tired by morning. Number 2, overnight hand repair system. If your hands look dry and rough, your entire appearance suffers, no matter how fit or healthy you are. Winter destroys hand skin because of constant washing and cold air. Here's the dermatologist level fix. Before bed, wash your hands, but don't dry them completely. Apply Vaseline while the skin is still damp. This matters because Vaseline locks water in. Put on cotton gloves for 20 minutes, or overnight. In many cases, cracked knuckles improve noticeably after just one night. Brow and lash conditioning hack. Looking attractive isn't about makeup. It's about grooming and structure. Cold air makes eyebrow and lash hair brittle, which softens your facial definition. Take a clean spoolie, lightly dip it into Vaseline, and brush your brows upward. It gives a natural hold, conditions the hair, and makes your eyes look sharper, without looking like you're wearing product. Number 4, fragrance longevity hack. Dry skin doesn't hold fragrance well. That's why cologne fades faster in winter. Here's a simple fix. Apply a tiny amount of Vaseline to your pulse points, wrists and neck before spraying fragrance. Vaseline holds scent molecules closer to the skin, so your fragrance lasts longer and smells more balanced. It's subtle, but people notice. Number 5, foot barrier recovery. Feet are often ignored, but they directly affect comfort and mobility. After a shower, when skin is soft, apply Vaseline to your heels. Put on thick socks. Heat activates occlusion, pushing the skin into repair mode. Do this twice a week, and cracked heels stop being an issue. This isn't expensive skincare. It's skin science. Simple principles. Low cost, high return. That's the Body Sync method. Which protocol are you starting tonight? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay strong, balanced, and healthy year-round, subscribe to Body Sync. I'll see you in the next video.